Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the Claude AI use cases video series. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a website layout in Claude AI and convert the same layout into Elementor Template Kit. Use the Elementor Template Kit to create the same website in a WordPress. So here you will see I have created a simple website layout in Claude. This is the same website that I have created in WordPress. So basically I have converted the layout in Elementor Template Kit and I use the Elementor Template Kit to create the same website in Elementor. It is not difficult to create a website in Claude or any other AI tool. However, it is difficult to maintain the website. It is difficult to deploy the website, and it is difficult to make changes to these AI generated websites. In future, if you want to make any changes to your AI generated website, you will need to go to that AI tool and you will need to ask the AI tool to make the changes, and in many cases it is very difficult to make the changes. So what we are going to do, we are going to create the layout using Claude. We are going to convert that layout into Elementor Template Kit, and we are going to install the same Elementor Template Kit in any WordPress website and create the same website in WordPress. So in future, if you want to make any changes, you can simply go to your WordPress website and you can easily make changes to your WordPress website. So I'm going to show you step by step how you can create a website layout that is compatible with Elementor Template Kit. So in the prompt, you're going to explain that you want to convert this layout into Elementor Template Kit. So I'm going to show you how to write the prompt. Then I'll show you how you can convert the layout into Elementor Template Kit. There is one skill that you will need to add to your Claude account. And once you add that skill to your Claude account, you can convert any layout into Elementor Template Kit. Then I'll show you how you can import the Elementor Template Kit and create the same website in Elementor step by step. So let's see how does this work.
Subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel for easy tutorials on AI tools, AI agents, WordPress, web design, automation, Elementor, WooCommerce, and more. Press the bell icon and stay updated with every new video.
So here I'm logged into my Claude account. I'm using Claude Pro account and I have already installed the Claude application on my computer. If you do not want to install the application on your computer, you can simply go to the browser and run the Claude in the browser also. You can also try using the free version of the Claude and see if you can create the same Elementor Template Kit using the free version. So here you will see the initial prompt that I used to create this layout. First, I have defined the role. You are a professional WordPress website developer. I want to create a complete website for a local business. The name of the business is this one. The business is about installing the solar panels for residential and commercial types. Now this is just an example. You can create a layout for any website. You can change the color scheme. You can also ask the Claude to create a dark theme layout, or you can also add some fancy animations to the background or animations to the image. I just wanted to create a simple layout for a local business. Now see, you can create any type of layout using Claude. You can add many images, videos and fancy animations on the website. And I have seen many videos on internet who claim that you can create a website and sell the website for $5,000 or $10,000. But in reality, I think it is very difficult to sell these websites. And it is also very difficult to rank these websites in search engine. In my opinion, you can start creating simple websites that you can sell to any local business. And that is what I'm trying to do here. I want to add home, about us, service and contact page. The website will be created in WordPress using Elementor free and pro plugins. I do have the Elementor Pro plugin. Now there are different ways to create header and footer section without using Elementor Pro plugin. Here I'm using Elementor Pro plugin so that I can use Elementor Theme Builder to create the website. I want you to first create a basic layout for the website with all the pages, common header and footer section for all the pages. Once the website is ready, I want you to create Elementor Template Kit that I can upload to my WordPress website using Elementor Pro plugin. Elementor Template Kit will include header, footer, global styles, home page, about page, services page and contact page templates. All the templates should use proper Elementor widgets and not only the HTML content. You can also use AK Elementor Studio skill that I already have in skills section. So this is the skill that you need to add to your Claude account, and this skill will help you convert the layout into Elementor Template Kit. Let me show you the skill here. This is the link to the skill. I'll give you the link in the description box. You can go to this page and download the skill code. Here you will see code. If you click on it, you will see an option download zip. Click on it and save it on your computer. Again, this is an open source skill that you can add to your Claude account. Once you have downloaded the skill, go to your Claude account, click on this icon, click on customize. Here you will see skills option, click on add, and you will see an option upload skill. Click on upload skill, and here you can drag and drop the zip file that you have downloaded. You can also click on plus sign and browse the file. You will see this file here, aka Elementor Studio main. You don't need to unzip it. Select the zip file, open it, and add the skill to your Claude account. I have already added the same skill in my Claude account. Here you will see the skill, aka Elementor Studio. Let's close it. So this is what I have mentioned here. You can also use the aka Elementor Studio skill. Homepage layout. This is some information about the homepage. What do you want on the homepage? Attractive hero section, wide chooser section, services, brief description, add color and image animation, sliding testimonials, and call to action. If you go to the website, you will see all those sections are there on the website. Why choosers, what we do is services, then simple process and testimonial slider, and call to action. With that we have the footer section. Right, so this is about the home page that I want. The header section will include logo or the business name in the left hand side, navigation menu, and call now button. You will see it here, logo, menu, and call now button. Then footer section, it will include 3 columns, business name and description, quick links, and contact information. Color scheme, use light color theme, use a red, green, and blue color. This is what I have mentioned. If you can change those color, you can also ask the Claude to use different animations. For the font, use modern font. Try using gradient background colors for each section on the page. Use stock images to display on each page. First, create a layout for the website. Create unique modern style layout for the business website. Once the layout is finalized, I will ask you to create a working Elementor template kit based on the layout. So this was the initial prompt. If you want the same prompt, I'll give you the link in the description box. You can go to my website and you can copy the same prompt. You can make the changes to the prompt and use the prompt to create the layout. So it started working on it and it gave me the first version of the layout. So this is the same layout that I have here in the right hand side. So in the next prompt, I asked Claude to change the color scheme. Use dark color scheme, use dark red, dark black, dark blue, and dark green color for the background, and update the business contact details. In the initial prompt, I forgot to add the business details. So here I have added the business details, name, address, phone number, and email. The address is a dummy address. So it started working on it and it gave me another version, that is the dark layout. You will see it here. So this was the second version in the dark layout. Let's close it. So it created the dark theme layout. However, I didn't like the dark theme layout, so I asked Claude to switch back to the initial light color scheme. That one looks better than the dark theme. Now I want you to convert this layout into Elementor Template Kit. The layout should use Elementor widgets. It must include the global style JSON file also. I should be able to download the ready template kit zip file from Claude and import it to the Elementor website as template kit or Elementor website template. I'm using Elementor Pro 4.0.1 version. So that was the prompt to convert this layout into Elementor Template Kit. It is going to use the skill to convert this layout into Template Kit. So it started working on it and it gave me 2 files. This is the Elementor Template Kit, and if you want to upload the templates individually, this is the zip file. You need to open it and upload the templates one by one. So this is the main Elementor Template Kit file that you can download and upload it to the WordPress website. Here you will see the instructions how to upload the file in WordPress website. So I have downloaded this Elementor Template Kit file, and now I'm going to show you how you can install it on WordPress website. Here I have a demo WordPress website. If I go to dashboard and if I go to plugins, you will see that I have Elementor and Elementor Pro plugin installed. If I go to pages, you will see that I have one home page there. It is blank. I do not have anything on the home page. I do not have header and footer created. This is the default header footer using Hello theme. Now let's go to settings and go to reading, go to static page. This is for the home page settings. I'm going to assign this page as the index page or the main page. Save the changes. All right, so now we have the home page ready. If I go to website and refresh it, you will see this is the home page. It is currently blank. Now let's go to appearance and go to menus. We are going to create one menu that will appear in the header section. So let's create a new menu. Let's add the home page in the menu. Save it. Now let's go to Elementor and go to settings. Here you will see the check boxes: disable default colors, check that one, and disable default fonts, check that one. Now we are going to add a new Elementor template kit here, and it is going to use the global style settings that we have in the Elementor template kit, and that's why we have checked these two options. Save the changes. Now let's go to features, and here for the container, let's make it active. Save the changes. Now in the left hand panel you will see saved templates. Let's go to saved templates, and here you will see an option import templates. Click on it and choose the file. I have it on desktop. This is the Elementor template kit that I have downloaded from the Claude. Right, so let's select it and click on open, click on import. Check this box, click on continue, enable and import. All right, so now you will see all the templates are imported and default kit is there. This is a template for services, home, header, footer, contact, and about us. Right, now let's go to theme builder, and we're going to create header section. So if I go to header, you will see the template is already there. Let's go to edit. This is how it looks. In the left hand side we have logo and the business title. If you want to change the logo, you can change the logo. It is very easy to change the logo using Elementor. You can simply delete it, or you can add any element from the left hand panel. You will see different elements are there. If you want to add image, simply drag it and drop it here, and you can add image to any section. Here you will see a call now button. If you want to customize it, click on it and customize the button. You will see the number, phone number here. You can change the phone number. You can go to style settings and change the style settings for this call button. Here you will see icon list. Now we are going to replace it with navigation menu. I'm going to keep it as it is. Let's click on the drop down and click on display condition. Add a condition. I want this header to be displayed on the entire website. So I have selected the entire website and save and close. Now if I go back to website, refresh it, you will see the new header is there. Same thing, let's go to Elementor theme builder, go to footer. We already have the footer there. Now here you will see that the third column is not in the same line, so you can change the size here. Now it is properly aligned. So there are some changes that you need to do manually. So if you want to make changes to this content, you can easily change the content. You can simply click on any widget or element and you can customize it from the left hand section. Right, let's go on publish, add a condition. I want it for the entire website. Save and close. Let's go back, refresh it, and you will see the footer section is also there. Now we are on the home page and we do not have anything on the home page. So let's click on edit page. This is for the home page. All right, the template is set to Elementor full width. Let's click on edit with Elementor. Click on templates. And you will see all the templates here. I want to import the template for the home page. So let's click on insert. And you will see the template is there. Again, the column width is more, so I'm going to change it. All right, and now you will see the second column is there. It might be because of the padding that is set by the Claude, but it is now 2 columns. The image is not there. We will need to add the image manually. So click on image and I'm going to upload one sample image here. So one by one you can start adding the images. So this is the image. Then we have why choose a section, what we do. Again, there is no image. I'm going to upload the image manually. I already have one sample image. I'm going to use the same image there. You can change the image and you can add any image that you want. The width of the image is small, so we can go ahead and change the width. Let's make it 100%. Copy it, paste style. So this is how the 3 services will look. Then we have simple process in 4 steps. These are the testimonials. If you want to change the testimonials, click on that widget. In the left hand panel, you will see all the testimonials. So you can add your own testimonial there, the name of the customer and the title of the customer. Again, it is very easy to manage the website in WordPress. Then we have the call to action button here. This is the phone number. Let's click on publish and let's see how the home page looks. All right, so you can see the same website is there. Here you will see there are some slight differences between the Claude generated layout and the Elementor Template Kit website. However, you can customize it manually. You can make changes manually. Now let's create a new page here. Let's go to new, click on page. Let's try creating a contact page. Name it as contact. Change the template to Elementor full width. Publish it. Go to edit with Elementor again. Click on it. Go to templates. Now this time we are going to use the contact page template. Click on insert and you will see the contact page is ready. Again, there is some change in the column width. So I'm going to change the width of the column so that the next column will be in the right hand side. This is the Elementor contact form. It has also created the ready contact form in Elementor. So you just need to make changes to the email settings. You will see all the details on the contact page. It has also added the map with the given location. So it is very easy to create the pages using the Elementor templates. You don't need to add the page manually. You can simply import the template and the entire page is ready. We have created 2 pages, home page and contact page. One by one, you can add more pages to the website. So if you want to create a quick website layout for any local business, you can try using Claude AI. This is a simple layout that I have created in Claude. However, you can create more attractive layout using Claude AI. You just need to enter the proper prompt and the Claude AI will create the required website layout for the local business. If you are happy with the layout, then you can ask the Claude to convert the layout into Elementor Template Kit using the AK Elementor Studio skill. I'll give you the link in the description box if you want to create the same skill in your Claude account. Once the Elementor Template Kit is ready, you can download the Elementor Template Kit and import that template kit in your WordPress website. And using the Elementor, you can create the entire website in WordPress. It is super easy and it is very quick. And again, in my opinion, instead of creating fancy website with many videos and images that you cannot sell for $5,000, try creating simple website that you can sell to any local business using Claude. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.